Hello! Today in class we will learn about the new properties of linear equations. To start, we will recall how a linear equation is written, and we will write down two properties of linear equations. These properties will help us solve any linear equation. So, a linear equation looks like x plus b equals 0. In this notation, the number x itself not will be the variable. We will call the number a the coefficient. To solve the linear equation, we need to find the value for the variable x. In our case, there are certain rules for solving a linear equation. For example, to find the unknown addend, we need to subtract the known addend from the sum to remove the known term. To find the unknown factor, we need to divide the value of the product by the known factor. We have several such rules, but today we will write down the properties for a linear equation. But first, let's write down some linear equation. For example, 2 times x plus 7 equals 16. And we need to solve this linear equation. But first, let's remember that a linear equation has two parts. This is the left part of the linear equation. And this is the right part of the linear equation. And now we will write down the properties that help us solve this linear equation. The first property: if I add the same positive number to both the left and right sides of the equation simultaneously, let's denote this number by s. Then I will have a correct numerical equation. I can add any number to both the left side and the right side of the equation. To add any number, if we subtract from the left side on a number and subtract it from the right side as well, this same number, then I will have a correct equation. Thus, if I simultaneously add a positive number or a negative number to both the left and right sides of the equation, then I end up with a true equality. If we multiply both the left and right sides by the same positive number, we will also obtain a true equality. Let's write it down together. Second, if the left side of the equation we multiply by any positive or negative number, and we also multiply the right side of the equation by the same positive or negative number, then we will end up with a true equality. This property can also be applied if we divide both the left and right sides by the same positive or negative number. As a result, we will also obtain a true equality. Why do we need these properties? We will study more of these properties in the upcoming lessons, but why do we need these properties? Let's go back to our equation. So 2x plus 7 equals 16. To solve this equation, we need to find the value of the variable x. But in order to find the value of this variable, we are hindered by the number plus 7. What should I do? I will subtract the number 7 from both the right side and the left side of the equation simultaneously. What will I end up with? 7 minus 7 is 0. Then on the left side, we have 2x equals 16 minus 7, which is 9. And now, to find the variable x, I need to divide both the left and right sides by 2. Let's write it down together, what I end up with. 2x, I divide by 2 equals 9 and divide by 2. I use our properties, and as a result, I get 2 and 2. I can divide the numerators and denominators by 2. And then, on the left side, I will only have the variable x equals. And 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. As a result, I found the value of the variable x, or solved the equation. We will apply these properties when solving linear equations. That's all for today's lesson. Goodbye. See you next time.